Tired of that recurring Svelte subscription fee? Let's ditch it in under 90 seconds. First, head over to the Svelte website and log into your account using your registered email address and password. This is crucial for accessing your subscription details. Once you're logged in, navigate to your account dashboard. Look for a section labeled Subscription, Billing, or something similar. It's usually found in the account settings area, which may be on the sidebar. On the subscription page, you'll see details of your active Svelte subscription. This page provides an overview of your subscription. Now, locate the Cancel Subscription button. It's often found at the bottom of the page or within the subscription details. Be sure to read any information provided before clicking, as there might be specific cancellation terms. A confirmation screen will appear, asking you to confirm your cancellation request. Carefully review the information provided and click Confirm or Cancel Subscription to proceed. After confirming, you should see a cancellation confirmation message. This message usually includes the date your subscription will end and when your access to Svelte services will be terminated. Also, be sure to check your email for a cancellation confirmation email, which serves as official proof that your subscription has been successfully canceled. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your Svelte subscription. No more unwanted charges. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.